With the first anniversary of the October 7th Hamas attack on Israel today, thousands of demonstrators around the world are taking to the streets, calling for an end to the ongoing war in Gaza and the wider Middle East. From London to Jakarta, protesters are demanding peace as tensions continue to escalate across the region. In London, around 40,000 pro-Palestinian demonstrators marched through the city's central streets on Saturday. Similar protests unfolded in major cities like Paris, Rome, Cape Town, and New York, with participants voicing their opposition to the violence in Gaza and Lebanon. In New York City, protesters gathered at Times Square, chanting, "Gaza, Lebanon, you will rise. The people are by your side." Many held banners demanding an arms embargo against Israel. Meanwhile, in Washington, demonstrators gathered near the White House to protest US support for Israel's military actions in Gaza. Across Europe, protests turned tense in some cities. In Rome, clashes between demonstrators and police led to the use of tear gas and water cannons. German demonstrators in Berlin protested what they called 1 year of genocide in Gaza, while Israeli supporters rallied against the rise of anti-Semitism. Protesters also expressed fears of the conflict spreading across the region. In Paris, Lebanese-French protester Hossam Hussein voiced concerns about a potential regional war, citing rising tensions with Iran, Iraq, and Yemen. As the war continues to intensify, with Israel launching military campaigns in Gaza and Lebanon, activists around the globe are calling for an immediate end to the bloodshed. However, the geopolitical complexities make a peaceful resolution elusive. These global protests highlight the growing urgency for diplomatic efforts to halt the violence in the Middle East, as both civilians and activists around the world continue to demand an end to the war.